I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and write a simple project that will help us to convert binary to hexadecimal. Alright, so we're going to kick off immediately by initialization of some variables of let's call that, let's use long int, okay, because this might exceed. So it's a long int bin, and long hex, and let hex be equal to 0, and let's have x equal to 1, and then y, and put a semicolon at the end. So now let's go ahead and ask the user to insert binary numbers only, so I can be able to convert that to hexadecimal. I want to say insert binary numbers only. So insert binary numbers only, and go ahead and end that. So any binary number, you go ahead and use the output stream, the input stream, to save that right inside bin, and put a semicolon. Now we're going to use a while loop to print that out. So y bin is not equal to 0, so bin must contain something. So y bin is not equal to 0, then y is equal to bin modulus 10. So we save the remainder right inside y, and then we go ahead and say hex is equal to hex plus y multiply x. Alright, and put a semicolon, and then x is equal to x multiply 2. So that is the logic that will help us to multiply and convert the binary to hexadecimal. Then bin is equal to bin divided by 10. You go ahead and discard the remainder. So once you divide that by 10, the remainder will be removed. Now you go ahead and print out the result. So to print out the result, use the output stream and say the hexadecimal equivalent of the binary numbers of the given binary numbers. If you want to print out the binary numbers off, I'll go ahead and show you one thing you need to do. Go ahead and add another variable called z. If you add another variable called z, you can, once you collect these numbers, go ahead and insert z. Go ahead and say that z is equal to bin. So once you say that z is equal to bin, it will save the value of bin right inside z, put a semicolon, and then you can be able to print out the value of z afterwards by calling the hexadecimal equivalent of z is, go ahead and print out of z is. Alright, so go ahead and print out hex and end line. Now let's go ahead and run this code, and it's going to get awesome results. Okay, and this is one of the things I love most. So insert binary numbers only, and let's say we insert 11110000 and hit enter. So the binary equivalent of 111000 is 240. Can you see that? Now let's go ahead and insert binary number of let's say 1010 and hit enter. So the binary equivalent of 1010 is 10, and you can see that z prints out 1010 for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit the binary equivalent of 1000 is 8, and you can see that. So what of 11111? That is 1111. Hit enter, and that is 15. So you can see that the binary to hexadecimal is really working out very fine. So the code is just valid before you. Put it down on your system, play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.